example, here I have a part and I open CAM Assist. You only need to select the tool library, the stock material, and the machine you want to run this part. You press run, and then CAM Assist understands the geometry of the part and then finds the best strategy, selects the tool, and then generate the recipe.
Hey everyone! Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives. But what's even more exciting is how AI is making its way into industrial manufacturing, unlocking massive potential for CNC machining. Over the past couple of years, technology has taken a big leap forward, and we are now seeing several startups promising to revolutionize CNC programming with AI. One of the first movers in this space was CloudNC, which introduced CAM Assist, a tool integrated with Autodesk Fusion 360 that automates toolpath generation, making it faster and easier to get machine-ready code. Since this interview was recorded, CAM Assist has expanded to support Mastercam and Siemens NX, making AI-driven CAM even more accessible. If you are already using AI in manufacturing, share your experience in the comments. Enjoy watching. Hello, Sahand. Thank you for agreeing for this interview. So, tell me about CloudNC and your product and your company.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. So, I'm Sahand Malek. I'm a senior product manager at CloudNC, and we're all about bringing automation to CAM programming.
Okay.
We're a software company based in London, and our mission is to make sure we bring simplicity and speed to CAM programming with our technology.
So what is the difference between CloudNC and other products?
So at the moment we have a technology called CAM Assist, and it uses AI to make sure it generates CAM strategy, and we provide our technology as a plugin on top of any other CAM software in the market. For example, here I have a part and I open CAM Assist. You only need to select the tool library, the stock material, and the machine you want to run this part. You press run, and then CAM Assist understands the geometry of the part and then finds the best strategy, selects the tool, and then generate the recipe. So now you can see in a second, CAM Assist makes automated folders, and inside each folder there are tool paths, and you can use those tool paths to machine this part. I can show you that example here. So this is all the recipe ready for you to use.
What is under the hood? How it works technically? I mean, you send information to the cloud and then receive from the cloud. So how it works?
Yeah, we don't really take the part to cloud, and this is because of the confidentiality of our customers. We just understand the geometric information of the part and the tool information, tool library information. Combine two with our technology, and we make the best machining strategy, and we send it back to the CAM package, in this case Fusion.
How the system recognizes the elements of the part? I mean, do you use the power of Fusion 360, or you have its own technology to recognize, holes, pockets?
We do both. So we sometimes we get the initial information from the CAM package, in this case Fusion, and we also do our own recognition, geometric recognition of the part.
Yeah, we see a number of operations. So now you can simulate, correct? And output the code.
So when CAM Assist generates the strategy, it sends it back to the CAM package, in this case Fusion 360, and all toolpaths that we have generated here are native to Fusion 360. So it means as a user, you can go back, edit the toolpaths, or add the toolpaths if you want. If you're happy with the result, or you just want to test it first, you can easily simulate that in Fusion 360, and then you can see the outcome. So now it's doing the roughing cycle. Then it goes to the finishing cycle. this part is only on Fusion.
Okay.
It's not our technology. Our technology is to create the strategy that then you can use. And now you can see it's going to the finishing cycle.
Okay, it's a prismatic part. What about if the part has a complex shape? Is it possible to handle such parts?
Yes.
Like free-form shapes?
So again, our technology does it best to understand the freeform and find the best tool paths, but we also bound to the limitation of the CAM packages.
Okay.
But yeah, we are able to do freeforms.
Okay.
And it's about continuous improvement when it comes to software. So we always try to improve our software. But our goal is simplicity and speed. You see how fast we can generate the tool paths and how easy it is to use our software. Another thing I wanted to mention is the benefit of this automated CAM technology. Because if you want to program this part manually, it might take you 2 to 3 hours depending on how proficient you are with using CAM package. And what we call mouse mileage, how many clicks you have to make. To program this part manually, you need to at least make 70 clicks. With CAM Assist, it's literally 1 click. You open CAM Assist, you already have your tool library, and you click run. Our plan is to be friend with every industry CAM providers company. And we love to work with everyone. Our technology can benefit their customers. At the moment, we are trying to bring our technology to Mastercam and Siemens NX.
Okay.
And we want to make sure we can open that up to other CAM providers as well.
Just imagine that you have 3 laptops here on the table. So with Fusion 360, with Mastercam, and with NX, and with the same part open, you click the run at the same time on 3 laptops. So do we have the same toolpath, or it will be different toolpaths because different CAM systems offer different toolpaths, feeds and speeds? What the results?
It's a good question. I would say this is part of my job and responsibility to make sure we give the same level of experience across different packages. But it's true, different CAM packages have different toolpaths. One of our job when we do integration with CAM packages is to make sure we select the right toolpaths across the board. For feeds and speed, that's a very good question. It again relies on the quality of tool library and the toolpaths in different CAM packages. I don't have a definite answer now, but for sure there would be differences here. Yeah.
Don't you think about the idea to generate your own toolpaths in the cloud and send it to the CAM system? In this case, everywhere will be the same. I mean, the same quality, the same feeds and speeds, everything.
That could be an opportunity for us to explore, but we also know there are very important players in the industry that can generate very nice toolpaths. So our job would be to match our strategy with the toolpaths they are able to provide. Depending on which CAM package we are integrating to and the type of customer base we want to provide our technology to, we can decide which technology can suit them best.
Okay. So I see on this prismatic part like this chamfer. Can you cut this chamfer? Is it possible automatically?
Yeah. As long as we have that information as part of the design requirement, we can generate chamfer tool. In CAM Assist, as a base level, when you just want to run CAM Assist, you get what we believe is a strategy that you can machine this part. But we also provide advanced control to what you can do. So you can decide what toolpaths you want to have, what finishing strategy you like to have, what type of stock to leave you want to have for your roughing cycle. So user have some control, but we want to make it very simple and very quick. So we want to bring one-click automation, and because of that, we don't want user to just start clicking instead of manual programming and start clicking in CAM Assist.
You said about the speed, efficiency. What about safety? I mean, if you have a fixture here, what about collision avoidance?
That's a very good question. So it is important. It is part of what we try to always bring to our technology. We do collision avoidance, we do fixture avoidance, and what is interesting for us is whatever toolpath we generate is safe. so you can run it on your machine. It might not be completely optimized, because our promise is to provide assistant with our AI technology, and we always need that human expertise to come and do the last 5-10% of fine-tuning.
When you say AI assist, what behind of this AI? I mean, this is machine learning or what? What technology do you use?
It is 8 years of engineering, physics models, computer modeling, and benefiting from our factory that we do lots of R&Ds to make sure our toolpath is correct, we do the right selection, and we combine our internal knowledge to bring the technology to life.
Who is the founder of the company, and about the idea behind it, you know?
Well, CloudNC journey started with our founders, Chris and Theo. They started their career being very passionate about manufacturing and engineering, and they realized
he's a young guy, yeah?
Yeah, they are. We are almost in the same age bracket. So for Theo and Chris, it was very important to be able to manufacture parts and using CNC machine the same way as you can use 3D printing. But what they realized is it's very difficult to do that quickly and efficiently. So they started this journey of making CAM programming easier and making using CNC machine really at the same way as you would have with 3D printing.
Okay.
Maybe I repeat this part. So for Chris and Theo, it was important that they can use CNC machine and program parts as easy as 3D printing. And they realized it's not that easy. So they started their journey by working through different challenges you might face when you're using CNC machine. And obviously for milling, they started to create automated CAM. 8 years later, we are here with that technology, with that dream, and we want to push it forward. We still believe there are more we can do, and we have a team to do it.
So what about the money? Where did you take money for this development?
We have our investors and partners. We have Autodesk as one of our investors, and we are in a very good relationship term with many CAM softwares companies. And our plan is to make sure we become a commercially successful company, as well as expanding our partnership with key players in industry.
On your website, I saw DMG Mori logo.
Yes.
So what about the partnership with DMG Mori?
For us, DMG Mori is a very important strategic partner. We believe that they also pioneer in terms of CNC machining and machine tool manufacturing. And we want to continue that relationship. We want to see our technology integrated to their technology, because that's how we can speed up the manufacturing industry.
A couple of words about further plans.
Well, we love to see our technology in any small shops and even big factories, but we know it takes time. And because of that, we want to make sure we can have a product that is useful, that is, as you said, is safe, fast, efficient, so people can see the value of our technology, and in coming years we can bring more advanced technology to our system. And we also want to provide our technology in other CAM packages and follow that vision of bringing automation to CAM programming and manufacturing.